Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Just a continuation from previous updates, really. So far, my scenario here, the bullish scenario, indicates that we are now in a support area for wave 2. So we talked about it in previous videos and highlighted that the move up between the 10th of June low and the 5th of July, 4th of July high could count as a so-called wave 1. And it's only a diagonal structure. It's not impulsive, right? Why is it not impulsive? Well, let's look at the subwave structure. You can clearly see that the wave 1, what would be the wave 1 of wave 1 here, is made up of 3 waves, yeah? A, B, C. So if this is a wave 1 of wave 1, it would only be a 3-wave move. Then taking this further, you can clearly see that this move up is a 3-wave move as well. There is no way you can count that as a 5-wave move. I mean, you can't do it, okay? I shouldn't say there's no way, but it counts much better as a 3-wave move in wave A. So basically here, A wave, then here potentially a B wave triangle and the C wave up. It's just often when you don't have any structure here, that it is an ABC structure. So you have 3 waves in wave 1, 3 waves in wave 3, and also here, the last wave, which would be the wave 5, is a 3-wave move. So again, that's sort of more the academic side of things. Anyway, we've got a wave 1 in 5 waves, but only as diagonal. That typically means, however, that we need to be more on the side of caution, that we should not ape into it, you know, with all in or something crazy, which you should never do anyway. But it just increases the risk, okay? It just sort of increases the uncertainty. Markets are uncertain already, but if we don't have an impulse in wave 1, things are even less certain, okay? So we've got this as a wave 1 nevertheless. That means we can at least work with it and have a potential that price will continue to shift further upwards going forward. But only if certain conditions are fulfilled. This would be the 78.6 Fib level that needs to hold. Support between $53, $54. I want to avoid a sustained break below $53 to continue to give the bullish scenario a chance. Below that level, I will shift more bearish on Aave, and it could bring price back into the $20 region, which would be long-term support. But for now, it is still okay. Yeah, we're coming down in this ABC structure. No change to the wave count from previous updates. A wave, overshooting B wave, C wave down. What I did in the last update, I added another micro count here for the wave 5. So it seems likely that we get one more low, because in the wave 5 of C, I know this is now getting very, very micro. It seems like this 4th wave here is unfolding as an Elliott wave triangle, and we could get one more low. Relevant support is 58.50 and then 53.50. Ideally, it's not going below the golden ratio here below 58.50, but if it does, then we're dealing with $53, $54. And below that, however, I will assume that this setup is not going to work out any longer. But at the moment, I think we're getting there. We're getting there pretty close to the low. I mean, you could argue there is a different wave count. You can count it in a way where you say the wave 1 sits here. It doesn't do much to the support, but you could then say that this indeed is the wave A. This indeed is the B wave. And this here is the C wave down. As you can see, it doesn't make a great difference to the count. It might bring it a little lower towards $54, but it doesn't really make a great difference. Okay, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.